So this is going to be a recap on how we lost 800 on the day. I accidentally risked a little bit too much, so I'll let you guys know what my daily bias was coming into the market and how this trade could have easily been avoided. So coming into the day, I was extremely bearish just because we had so much liquidity below us on NQ. We had this 15-minute gap, this 4-hour gap, and London low down here. And so I was planning on sweeping London high and then moving lower. Unfortunately, we didn't get that. Above us, we also had this new week opening gap, which is a strong draw in liquidity. So it's something I should have been aware of. However, going into the market, let's go to 9:30. So we started to manipulate higher, and this is where I thought that we'd put in an IFEG to move down. And obviously, going into the market with a bad mindset is something that I'm trying to avoid. So I added this to my journal. I just want to be transparent with you guys when we take losses and when we win. It's all part of trading, is all probability. So this is just one of those days on a fresh account as well. So we'll see. We manipulated this high. We tapped into this 1-hour gap as well as sweeping London high. And so I was looking for shorts over here. Began to chop around a little bit after this, but seeing this 1-minute IFEG, we also had an SMT with NQ. Where is it? Over here. You also had an SMT with NQ where it swept this high, and it didn't on NQ. And so took my short from here, my stop above this candle. Was going to take partials at 1 hour and then have my stop all the way down to this 4-hour gap. Then I take profit all the way down to this 4-hour gap. Unfortunately, we did run straight to stop loss, and this was because you guys can see we were inside of a 5-minute gap, and so this is something to be aware of for next time for me and for you guys. If you are taking shorts or longs, make sure that you're not inside of a conflicting draw, in which case we were rejected off this 5-minute and we continue to hold it, as you guys can see, continue to hold this very, very strong 5-minute gap until eventually breaking it all the way down here before manipulating higher. Today wasn't great price action in general. However, this trade could have easily been avoided if I was looking at the higher time frame. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. The Discord's in the description, and we go live.